Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial for XTool P2. Today we will show you how to replace the power supply for the main control board. This video has 4 parts. In the first part, we will tell you how to take off the external covers and plates. In the second part, we will walk you through how to remove the power supply. In the third part, you will get instructions on how to install the replacement. In the fourth part, we will tell you how to put all the parts back together. You'll need these tools or alternatives to finish the job. A 2-in-1 screwdriver that comes with the machine, 2.5 millimeters. A pair of scissors. A new power supply for replacement. A hex screwdriver, 2.0 millimeters. And cable ties. Okay, let's dive right in. Disconnect the power supply of the machine. Use the hex head of the screwdriver to remove the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to remove the 6 screws on the inner side. Remove the rear upper cover. Pinch the fastening ring to remove the smoke exhaust pipe. Use the hex head to remove the 6 screws on the rear plate. Remove the rear plate. Remove the connection cable of the rear plate. Press down the connector of the air tube and take it out. Remove the connection cable of the fan. Remove the rear plate. Use the crosshead to remove the 6 screws on the front plate. Then take off the plate. Use the crosshead to remove the 3 screws on the right upper cover. Then remove the 2 screws on the inner side. Remove the cover and its connection cable. Use the hex head to remove the 3 screws at the back of the right plate. Remove the 2 screws on the front side of the plate. Remove the 3 screws at the bottom of the right plate. Remove the plate and the emergency stop button. Use the crosshead to remove the screws that are securing the power supply cables. Cut the cable ties. Use the 2.0 millimeters hex screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws at the back. Get the new power supply. Install the 4 screws to fix the replacement using the hex screwdriver. Reinstall all the cables to their respective positions as shown. Caution: incorrectly connecting the cables may lead to a short circuit and result in the burnout of the power supply. Fasten the screws to fix the power supply cables. Organize the cables and fix them with the cable ties. Cut off the excess length. Install the right plate and connect the emergency stop switch. Use the hex head, and install the 3 screws, back to the back side of the right plate. Install the 2 screws on the front of the plate. Install the 3 screws at the bottom of the right plate. Be sure to align the position and install the right upper cover. Use the cross head to install the 3 screws on the right upper cover. Install the 2 screws on the inner side of the cover. Connect the air tube to the rear plate. Note: be careful not to make the air tube kinked when installing the rear plate. If it is kinked, cut off the part and reinstall the air tube. Install the corresponding cables to the plate. Then place the rear plate back. Use the hex head to install the 6 screws on the rear plate. Install the smoke exhaust pipe. Use the hex head to install the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to install 6 screws inside. Install the 6 screws on the front plate. Now it's done. You've finished the replacement of the power supply for the main control board. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the XTool support team if you have any questions.